In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your Microsoft Teams experience by adding your own custom emojis to chats and conversations. If you want to add more personality to your messages or make your reactions more expressive, custom emojis are a great way to do it. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or access it through your web browser. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, choose a chat or channel where you want to use a custom emoji. You can find your conversations listed on the left side of the screen. After opening a chat, look for the message you want to react to. Hover your mouse over that message, and you'll see a row of quick reaction emojis appear. These are the default options, but we're going to go beyond those. Move your cursor over the emoji reactions and click on the option for more emojis. This will open a larger emoji panel with many more choices to browse through. Now, if you don't see an emoji that fits what you want to express, this is where customization comes in. In the emoji window, click on Customize Default Reactions. This will open a new menu where you can personalize your emoji options. Look for the plus button and click it. From here, you can create or upload your own custom emoji. You can use an image, icon, or graphic that matches your team's culture, an inside joke, or something that better represents your reaction. Just make sure that any custom emoji you upload follows your organization's guidelines and maintains a respectful, professional tone. Once you're happy with your custom emoji, save your changes. Your personalized emojis will now be available whenever you want to react to messages or add more flair to your conversations. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've upgraded your Microsoft Teams chats with custom emojis, making communication more fun, personal, and engaging. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more tips and tutorials.